What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and this is the video announcement for our Snaptain H823H Plus contest winner. And so we just copied the URL from the video and pasted it in this random comment picker on YouTube. And so our winner is June Loco 619. So congratulations, June Loco 619. You won this Snaptain H823H Plus. And I'd like to thank everybody for participating in this little contest here. And I have had a talk with the representative from Snaptain, and they have agreed to give me one other free drone. So I might pick a random person in the next video from Snaptain to win their next drone that they're sending me. Congratulations again to June Loco 619. To everyone else, I appreciate all the support. Good luck on the next one, and thanks for watching.